To prune an apple or pear tree into an espalier or palmette pattern, first prune the tree to clean it up and thin it out. Keep only the most vigorous branches. After that, proceed to a fruit-inducing pruning to get a nicer harvest. First, remove useless branches that are low on the trunk and on the underside of scaffold branches. Also prune branches that are growing towards the ground. After that, keep working your way up, eliminating old or damaged branches, as well as those touching or crossing each other. Doing so will keep diseases from spreading. Identify the fruiting branches on the scaffold branches. These are the fertile sprigs that will be bearing fruits. Select the most vigorous ones and eliminate all the others. The goal is to open up the tree crown and increase fruit productivity for the next harvests. Fruit-inducing pruning will enhance the fruit harvest. On each fruiting branch, count 3 eyes from the scaffold branch. Cut slantwise so rainwater runs off from the cut mark. Otherwise the bud might rot or freeze. In the following year, a sharp pointed bud appears. This bud is called a spur. A year later, the spur will have transformed yet again into a round, full flower bud. The flower bud blooms and then becomes fruit.